guarantee I upload 4 times a week, so you should subscribe because you just should. And we're doing some updates because not only do I review the wigs, I update them so you know, should you get them, should you not get them, if you shouldn't get them, why should you get them. So this is Bobbi Boss we're doing, and I'm going to start out with Miss Porsha, and I have her in the color copper/burgundy. And this wig is long, and she is so pretty, and I can't wait to put my like Harry Potter hat on and wear this. She's got a yaki texture. You do need to like do stuff to the bangs just like for your preference, but she's very comfortable. She is snagging a little bit on the very ends, which I'm surprised because of her yaki texture. It's coming out easily, but she may just need to be like trimmed up a little bit. But other than that, I'm really loving her. If you wanted to get her in a different color, I think it would be great. You know, Bobbi Boss kills it with the colors, and also the texture is gorgeous. So, yeah, I'm just getting a few snags. I'm not really quite sure why. I'm pretty sure the last time I wore this, though, I was drinking wine, so you never know. But yeah, I think that she's a great wig, and I love, like I said, love the texture. I'm keeping this one, even though I don't wear banged wigs a ton. I have nothing this color. If you have a Bobbi Boss wig in this copper burgundy, another one, not this one, please let me know down below if you like it and which you suggest, because I do want to get another wig in this color, maybe just straight without bangs. So yeah, that's this one. Let's see what else is coming up. Alrighty-roo, up next is Bobbi Boss is Courtney. This is a lace part wig. It's not a lace front. You know, I love a lace part. She was originally in a 613A, but I custom dyed this wig. You can see I dyed it like an ombre, ashy, golden, crazy color. You can see the video on not only the original review, but how I dyed her. I even gave her that like dark root on there. So, she doesn't come in this color. She does, this is slightly the original color, although it's been toned. Love a lace part wig. I would actually get this wig in a different color, a more traditional color, but this is my traditional color because, you know, I like me an ashy blonde. And also this is going to be my Lyna wig because I'm going to be a Lyna for Halloween. So I'm very excited to wear her. And yeah, I love this wig. I think the texture is great. It is a very thick density. It's yaki, but it has a silkiness to it. And it's not much shedding. You know, 613 wigs though, I feel like they shed in general. I don't know what it is about the blonde wigs. They just tend to shed a little bit more. It's not snagging up too much. This has been processed, so it's not going to perform exactly as it would if you got one and did not process it. Because, you know, I did dye and wash, and I think I actually double processed this wig in order to do the ombre. So it was dyed twice and it was washed twice, so it's gonna change the fibers just slightly, but overall it's a gorgeous wig. And yes, it's very long. It's probably about 20 inches, so it is going to get tangled. You know, it's really rare, even if your normal hair is long, for it not to be tangled, but it's just very rare for a wig to not be tangled if it's over 18 inches. It's just rare. So but it's minimal, and you could easily trim this one up if you wanted to. So I think this is definitely one to get. Okay, last but not least, we have the Lyna Sleeve. This is one of the Yara wigs, I'm pretty sure, and I have her in the color TT1B/dark teal. This is a lace part wig, again, like the last one, but it's not a lace front. You know what? If you love this style, this is probably a great wig. The wig cap is comfortable. My only thing is she does snag a little bit. Because she's short, you can just brush her and then it should be fine. But after you wear her, I would definitely say you're gonna have to go in and brush her. And I think it's just because there is a silkiness. I would say this is a great wig if this is a style you like, and you know, it's pretty, but yeah. I think this is a good wig. This isn't my style. This isn't something I'm gonna wear. So I'm going to let this one go. That's what I have for you for updates on Bobbi Boss. If there's another Bobbi Boss wig you would like me to review, please put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.